How to use Cursor AI for free. In this video, I will show you the full guide to accessing Cursor AI's features without paying, so make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Go to cursor.com and click Get Started. Step 2. Sign up using your GitHub or email. New users are automatically placed in the free tier with limited credits. Step 3. Download the Cursor editor. It's a modified VS Code experience that's powered by AI assistants. Step 4. Launch Cursor and open your coding project. You will see an AI chat sidebar on the right. Step 5. Start by asking the assistant questions like refactor this function or generate test cases. The free version allows basic queries and code generation with daily limits. Step 6. Use the inline AI code suggestions that pop up as you write. These are part of the free tier and help speed up repetitive tasks. Step 7. To get the most out of the pre-plan, you can use Cursor's command palette shortcuts like Ctrl plus K to open recent AI conversations or files. Step 8. Track your AI usage inside the app. It will show how many free interactions you have left and when they reset. And now, you can boost your productivity using Cursor AI. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.